Hey campers, big or small, we cover it all. And today I have a unique piece to show you. Here at Extreme Lifestyles, we can't wait to show you through this Bikestream RV. So stick with me and let's check out this little cool camper.
My name is Scotty. I'm with Bikestream RV. I'm actually the founder of the company, and we build the world's lightest, smallest, and greenest RVs, Bikestream RV. We also have a unit that we call the C Series, which is more like a cargo trailer. The RV has windows that open and close, a skylight. It's got 4 cabinets on the inside, 2 lower and 2 upper. It's got a bed mat, it's got a sink, and the cargo trailer, the C Series, is this exact same shape, but it's completely empty on the inside. So it's a lot easier to build and a lot cheaper, but it doesn't have all the amenities to make you comfortable if you want to go camping in one. This is what you want if you want to go camping. If you just want something to haul a tent, haul a grill, haul a cooler to the beach, the C Series is what you want.
Now how do those work as far as the windows go?
Yeah. These are called Zeus fasteners. They're quarter-turn fasteners. You pop it open like that, and then you pop up these 2 prop rods here, and now you got a little table that you can set your coffee cup on, or a can of beer, or whatever. The privacy curtains are closed, so you can't see on the inside, but there's a plexiglass window that slides closed if it's chilly out, slides open to let fresh air in if it's nice out, and when you put that privacy curtain up, you can see outside.
And is that a screen there too?
Yeah, it's screened.
There is.
So keep bugs out.
Yep.
You don't want to have bugs coming in.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
And then same thing with the skylight here. This is actually right above your head while you're sleeping on the inside. And one of the biggest problems is when you breathe out, there's a lot of humidity in there.
Yep,
So
all the condensation.
In the summertime, you don't want to add more humidity and heat to the inside.
Yep.
So if it's not raining, you can have this open and your breath just goes right out like it should. Keeps it more comfortable on the inside. If it is raining, we sell a birdhouse attachment that'll keep the rain out of your face while you're sleeping,
better,
but still let your breath
all the moisture
from
get
the
out.
RV.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
And then down below, right down here, is where we store our wheel chocks.
Yep, wheel chocks go in there. The landing gear on the back drops down. There's a landing gear on the front that drops down.
Okay.
So you are completely stable. It will not roll forward or backwards with the wheel chocks, and it doesn't tip at all as you're getting in and out.
Okay.
Because of the landing gear.
How do we put that landing gear down? I want to see inside of this thing.
All right. Now this is a used unit. This belongs to one of my employees, so it's a little bit dirty. But
so no judging, everybody.
But you go like that. You tie these up.
Okay.
To hold them out of the way.
Yes.
And then you can see the 2 lower cabinets and the 2 upper cabinets in there.
2 lower cabinets, 2 upper cabinets. All the reflectics all around to keep you warm and dry. With the little vent up top.
And vents on the side.
And the vents on the side where the windows are.
There's also a vent on this back door.
Okay, yep, right there.
Right there.
How crazy.
And everything is screened. You don't want to have bugs coming in and joining you.
And how much does this thing weigh?
Weighs 70 pounds off the factory floor. We recommend that you don't put any more than 70 pounds of gear in it.
Okay.
That's 140 pounds, and that's where you start to test the limits of your brakes.
Okay,
the
yep.
limits of your legs to pull you forward.
Now, if we wanted to find these, where would we go to find these?
I have a website, bikestreamrv.us.
Okay.
And my email address is bikestreamrv@gmail.com. And I don't mind giving you my cell number. It's 574-292-9186. There's only one thing I like more than camping in a Bikestream RV, and that's talking about it. We'll take care of you.
Okay.
Thanks, Dustin.
You're very welcome. Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all next week. Bye.